Presenting a pre-owned 2021 BMW. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include convenience package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt, force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.